How to calculate fabric utilization percent in cutting, in textile or in garments manufacturing. When we discuss about the utilization of fabric in textile, on the other hand, if we discuss about the utilization of material in any manufacturing, it is the most important element of that manufacturing because it directly affects the recovery or the utilization of that product. Higher is the utilization of raw material, higher will be the productivity of that raw material finished product. Now this lecture is about the calculation of fabric utilization in cutting. We will discuss how it is calculated with example for easy understand. Fabric utilization, it means how much fabric is being utilized in cutting for garment pattern out of total fabric laid for cutting. Generally, fabric constitutes 60 to 7% of total garment cost. 60 to 7% it is major portion of the cost of garment. So thorough effective utilization, fabric utilization factory can save a lot of from this department or from this section or from this process. What steps are involved for utilization of fabric in garments manufacturing? First step is measure the lay length or marker length that should be used in bulk cutting. Suppose fabric width is 1.2 millimeter. Collect the information of fabric GSM grams per square meter. These are the steps we will also uh, give example how to calculate fabric utilization. Second step is calculate the weight of that lay or that layers. Fabric weight is calculated fabric width multiply lay length and multiply GSM. GSM is gram per square meter multiply by number of plies or number of layers. You can also calculate taking the multiple layers. 1.2 fabric width is length and multiply GSM and multiply number of plies. In third step, cut the pattern and collect all waste fabric and weight the waste fabric. Normally includes ends, losses, cut and waste. So in this step, waste is calculated or weight of the waste is done. It is represented by let's suppose C. Fourth step, weight of fabric of cut panel is D is equal to B minus C. B is the total weight of fabric and C is the waste or that is the piece which is not a part of the garment. So C will be subtracted. Fabric utilization, weight of cut panels, D, as we have done in 4 step, weight of cut panels divided by total weight of the lay B. B is total weight of fabric multiply by 100. For accuracy, you can do this exercise by multiple lays and take average of them. Now, these were the steps involved in utilization of fabric in garments. In next slide, we will briefly discuss the example calculation of fabric utilization. Here is example. For better understanding, I have shown an example in following. In step 1, assume that measured lay length is 3 meter. Okay. Second, fabric GSM is 150. Number of plies, suppose 5. Fabric width is 1.2 meter. Now in second step, calculated weight of lay will be 3. 3 is the length. Multiply 150, it is GSM. Multiplied by 5, number of plies. Multiplied by 1 by 2, it's the width. So multiplying all elements, it will result in 2700 grams. It is the weight of fabric. It is the total weight of fabric. In step 3, weight of collected waste after cutting. Let's suppose it is 300 grams after cutting, that is not used in the garment. This is the waste, 300 gram. In fourth step, weight of cut panel. Cut panel, how much fabric is utilized other than waste. 2700, 2700 was the total weight of fabric. Subtracting 300 gram, it is the waste that will be equal to 2400 grams that is utilized in garments. Now the last step is utilization or the percentage of utilization. Fabric utilization will be weight of cut panel 2400 divided total weight of fabric, that is 2700 multiplied by 100, it results 88.9%, that is the fabric utilization. I hope by this example your concept about the fabric utilization or how to calculate the fabric utilization in garments would be very clear. See you in next lecture with another topic. Thank you, Allah Hafiz. Subscribe for more videos.